Hey Maxi, how long will you live? What do you mean? I'm only 24.
Hey, it's Casper. Hope you have a good day. Today I want to talk about an amazing plugin called Maxx. I've owned this plugin for like 10 years and I haven't really used it because I really didn't kind of get what it was doing. A few weeks ago I mixed a song and I went out to the kitchen and listened and I felt, it's kind of not as juicy and full as I want it to be, like if I compare it to other great mixes. And so I thought about this plugin because technically it should be doing what I want, like adding some overtones to the sub bass and fill in that space. So I put it on and actually sounded amazing. Like in the sweet spot, it's very subtle. It like doesn't change the character a whole lot, but it gets a bit juicier. But especially outside the sweet spot, it really does the trick. Like out in the kitchen, it sounds much fuller, much better. In crappy speakers, in the phone, sounds better. And it's just insane that the plugin that's soon to be 25 years old is still doing this trick. Like, I haven't tried all plugins, but you know, it does the trick amazing. So let's dive into some examples. Let's listen to what we got before Maxx. Pretty cool. So I have some side chaining going on the bass, from the kick, from a trigger track here. That's what's clipping here. But anyways, so now let's hear what Maxx does. That's not bad either. So this kind of beat would use a little bit of a high bass, but that's not the point of this video. So Maxx, highly recommended. I'm not sponsored by Waves, but I'm sponsored by myself. I have a thing called Free Mix Friday, when you will get a free mix if I choose your production. So send in your demo to caspermaster.com, and if I personally like the production of a song, I will pick your song and I will do a mix for free. No revisions included, but you will get a great mix. So head over to caspermaster.com, clicking send in tracks here. Write your name, write Free Mix Friday in the description so I know what it's all about. And see you on the other side. Alright, have a great day.